Our introduction to cross-site scripting attacks. This is the first video on my channel, and please make sure you are supporting me by subscription and liking this video. So first of all, let's look at how the website works. When you load the website, each website has a basic HTML, which is hyperlanguage marking language, and it uses to create a simple text. For design, there is a CSS. It's used for design and mainly for scripts. Now we are going to cover about scripts, and JS or JavaScript is used for scripting in web applications and more. So what's the cross-site scripting attack? Cross-site scripting is a type of security vulnerability that could be found in any application which uses JavaScript. Attacker injects script, usually it's script in JavaScript, into websites. It could be inserted in the website by many reasons. So it could steal our sessions, tokens, cookies. Attacker can hijack into accounts, modify the website content. It can trick the users by phishing, redirecting users to malicious websites, run any JavaScript code in the victim's browser, and more. Sometimes even it could trigger a remote code execution, which is critical. So now let's view types of the cross-site scripting. First is storage or persistence. The malicious script is saved on the server, and it's most likely in servers, database, or in comments, and anywhere where it can be stored. Whenever someone visits a page, script can be run in the background. An example: an attacker posts a comment with script and alert. Inside of alert, it could be a malicious script that can be executed. Secondary type is a reflected XSS. Reflected cross-site scripting is not dangerous as a cross-site scripting because it's not runs as a background. So malicious script in the URL or an input effects. This is reflective. For example, you are visiting some website, and in the search button you type script alert 1. That could be the example of cross-site scripting. Domain-based scripting. Now let's view our first lab in cross-site scripting. This lab is a reflected script lab. Reflected cross-site scripting into HTML context without nothing encoded. So we haven't encoded anything, and just look out. So first look on the search bar. For example, type something. Now we can see that search is inside of the two codes, and first analyze the website's code. Web application haven't any encoding or securing for these symbols. Now we can see. So these symbols are simply executed inside of the web server. Now write our first script. First quotation mark, secondary, then word script. Alert. And now we can see our script is done. So let's search, and we can see that Academy says 1, which is our alert, and we solved the lab. That's the simplest lab and simplest example of the reflected cross-site scripting.